Hello everyone, it's Nat. I hope you're all doing well. I'm very excited because I have an unboxing video for you guys and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So I just opened the envelope, but as you can see, everything is sealed, so I haven't looked anything yet, and we're gonna share all this together. So yeah, I'm very excited because I can see there is stickers and cards and lots of stuff and this. So thank you, Lizzie, that was fast. It only took a few days for this deck to get here. It comes all the way from Canada, and I'm very happy and excited to share this deck with you because I'm sure it's very beautiful. I'm just so in love with the illustrations of this artist. So the name of the company, I guess, is Copper Rabbit Illustrations, and her name is Lizzie Laing. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, this deck was released last year, and I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see everything well. So let's go. So first I have this a beautiful card, handwriting, very beautiful. I love her artwork, so it's nice. It's a nice touch with a personal word. Then a sticker, beautiful. Copper Rabbit, so two business cards, a green one, a pink one. She's on Instagram, you can follow her on Instagram. She has a website where you can get this deck if you're interested. I will put the link down below. I have a postcard, and I have these beautiful stickers. I'm gonna open it. So it's another business card, I guess. And I don't want to ruin it because it's beautiful. Yeah, look at that, so cool. And I can see there is a kitty cat, and I love cats. I have 3 cats, my babies. So different stickers. This is cute. And a kitty cat. I love that. Wow, so cool. So cool. So now we're going to discover the cards together. So I'm so excited about this deck. The cards are bigger than tarot cards, so I like that. And you will see that the illustrations are so beautiful. I had to wait all day long to do that. So, Copper Rabbit Illustrations Oracle Deck. That's the name of the Oracle, Inktober Oracle Deck. A deck of fairy tale elements, settings, characters and objects. 31 cards painted in ink and watercolor for each day of October 2018. That's so nice. So it comes in a box, soft box. Very cool. And then you have the same thing over here, and a word from Lizzie. I created this deck to explore some of my favorite stock elements present in many European folk and fairy tales. Some cards are based on specific stories, others are purely me indulging in my own imagination. I hope you enjoy them, Lizzie. So nice. So the backing with the toad, I like that. And you have the name of the oracle over here. This is so cool. So it's more a Halloween deck, but the colors are very soft, and I think you can use this deck all year long. So it doesn't come with the guidebook, only the deck. So we have the first card, Woodsman, Sun and Moon. So you can read, it's reversible. King, Dark Forest. I like the size of the cards. I'm gonna show you with the tarot card so that you can see the size of it. I have the Children of Lita close to me so that you can compare the size. See, it's larger and higher, so it's much bigger than a tarot card. Dark Forest, Lock and Key, beautiful. Winter Witch, I like that. Dragon, Wolf, Message, Trickster with the fox, Poison, Spell, Graveyard with the black cat, I like it. Here lies Martha Wayne. Death, Queen, Imposter, she has a mask. She's a false person, I guess. Crown, so cute. I like it. Cabin with the witch and the black cat. And some kind of monster in the forest. Dagger. I like this one. Ghost. Ooh. Scary. Sea Witch. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Fairy Godmother. I love the colors. I love the illustrations. The artwork is absolutely gorgeous. Castle. The color palette is kind of pastel colors and I really love it. Ring with the ravens. Test. Evil Witch. Bargain. Tower. Beautiful. She looks sad. Clock. With all the spiders. And she has several eyes. Ooh. Creepy. Companion with the bat hanging from the tree, and gift. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So it's a very, very cool deck. I really love it. I love everything in this deck. I just had a crush on this deck. Very, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful, and it really has this Halloween feel, but as I told you, you can use it any time of the year because of the colors. you know. It can be used in springtime, summer, whatever you like. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm very happy I received this deck. I'm very happy to share this deck with you. I haven't seen anything on the internet, so I'm happy to share this deck, and I hope that lots of you guys will like this deck, and maybe you will like to purchase this deck and support this beautiful artist. Yeah, it's very cool, very cool, and the quality is just perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. Not fragile, very good cardstock, very good, not too shiny. They have a nice finish, but they don't shine that much, and I really appreciate that. And I love the backings as well. So a witchy deck that I love very much. I'm very drawn to witchy things at the moment. So yeah, it's gorgeous, very, very beautiful, very nice. Well, and it came with lots of cute stuff as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this deck, and I can't wait to read, to do readings with this deck. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. So thank you for watching. And Lizzie, if you're watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, it was sent very fast, so I'm more than happy, and I can't wait to play with it. You guys take care, have a nice Easter weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, bye bye!